Welcome to the Fuller Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 4:08 p.m. that is Central Time, and today is February 6th. Today being Friday, it's the big picture, long-term audio and video for the various different asset classes. And I think this week there's certainly a big drawdown that we've seen in the extended or expanded tech software sector, and it's the ETF at least is back below the 1,000-day moving average, and that is generally where, if the secular trend is intact, you should expect to see some support coming through. So what happens over the next couple of weeks is likely to be rather important. We've also seen a great deal of volatility in precious metals this week, and then energy prices are reasonably steady and holding the move above the 200-day moving average, so at least for oil prices. There's a lot of questions going on right now about geopolitical tensions, but I think there's a wider question about the standards of governance. And this is also feeding through into the whole precious metals question. Then at the same time, we have the precious metals question, the dollar question, the outlook for currencies more generally, what that means for the bond markets. And I think I had a personal experience today, which I think helped to sort of frame this conversation. I got back from Australia on Monday, and I didn't experience any uh, real sign of jet lag, even though it's a 17-hour time difference. But that jet lag hit me like a rock this morning. So even though today is Friday and I got back on Monday, I was wide awake at about 4:25 this morning, and I finally gave up on trying to go back to sleep at 5:30. And I think what it sort of emphasizes is that you can deny reality for a while, but eventually it does catch up with you. And we're in that kind of environment, I think, with artificial intelligence at present. We're in that kind of environment with the bond markets as well. We've had a generational period, and it's not even one generation, but several generational periods where the volume of debt has done nothing but increase, and the discussions about how to pay it back have gone down in a commensurate, or I guess an inverse reality. And now we're at a rather interesting environment where the standards of governance are deteriorating. And a lot of that has to do with the debt question. And I think this is rather important because when we